Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on bear. Bears are large animals that live in forests, mountains and Arctic regions. They have thick fur to keep them warm in cold weather. Bears are mostly found in North America, Europe and Asia. They eat plants, fruits and sometimes fish or meat. Some bears like the panda only eat bamboo. Bears can be brown, black or white depending on the species. They are good swimmers and climbers. Bears hibernate in winter, sleeping for months in their dens. Baby bears are called cubs and stay with their mothers for a long time. Bears are strong and gentle animals, but they can be dangerous if they feel threatened. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.